Welcome to WizzeBoo, where stories, colors, and fun come alive.
Whoa! Look at this smart character. Hello, 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 super learners. Welcome back. Today, we are going to draw and color Sprunki number block 20. First, draw a rectangle. And inside it, draw another rectangle. A nice square body. Perfect. Now draw the lower body underneath and add the body outline around it.
1, 2, 3, and here we go. Numbers make our hearts all glow. Count with joy.
Now let's draw the face. Draw the glasses.
4 and 5 and 6 so bright. 7, 8 all day and night.
Now draw the eyes inside the glasses and add the eye detail, the little sparkle.
Wave your hands up to the sky. Numbers.
Now draw the eyebrows above the glasses, looking so smart. Now draw the happy smile mouth. Now draw a fancy top hat on top of the head, so stylish.
Here we go. Counting fast. Now count slow. Jump and shout.
Now draw a bow tie right below the body and a little circle in the middle, so fancy. And finally, at the very top, write the number 20. Our drawing is complete. I am made of 20 tiny blocks, and I wear a fancy top hat. Coloring time! First, pick up the black color. Spell black, B-L-A-C-K. Black. Color the eyes black. Did you know black is the color of night skies and shiny shoes? Sharp and clear.
Numbers shining, here we stay. Learning grows in every way.
Now pick up purple. Spell purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Color the glasses purple. Color the eyebrows purple too. Fun fact, purple is made by mixing red and blue. So stylish.
3 with glee. Sprunky smiles, let's begin. Counting fun, let it spin. Tap your toes and count along. Learning makes you
Now pick up pink. Spell pink, P-I-N-K. Color the smile pink. Fun fact, pink is the color of cotton candy. So sweet.
And here we go. Numbers make our hearts all glow.
Now pick up orange. Spell orange, O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Color the whole body orange. Fun fact, orange is the color of juicy oranges. Looking bright.
So bright. 7, 8 all day and night.
Ooh, let's play a fun game. Can you guess how many colors Sprunki 20 will have? Is it 4? Is it 6? Or is it 7? Shout it out loud.
Oh, so high. Sprunky smiles, we shout hooray. Learning numbers every day. 1, 2, 3, and here we go. Counting fast, now count slow. Jump and shout.
Did you know? Sprunki 20 is made of 20 tiny blocks. That is 2 groups of 10. 10, 20. 20! Wow, amazing!
Count with friends, count with me. Sprunky time is numbers free. 1 by 1, 11, 12. Numbers make.
Now pick up maroon. Spell maroon, M-A-R-O-O-N. Maroon. Color the top hat maroon. Fun fact, maroon is a deep brownish red color. So classy.
Songs will take you far. Numbers shining, here we stay.
Now pick up maroon again. Color the little circle in the middle of the bow tie maroon, matching perfectly with the hat. Looking sharp. And now the final color. Pick up cream. Spell cream. C-R-E-A-M. Cream. Color the bow tie cream. Fun fact, cream is a soft, gentle yellowish white color. 20. Done! Amazing job, super learners! Today you drew a main body, a lower body, glasses, eyes, and eyebrows, a happy smile, a fancy top hat, and a bow tie, and colored every color: black, purple, pink, orange, maroon, and cream. You are a superstar artist! Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you next time. Bye-bye!
Thanks for watching WizzeBoo. See you next time for more fun adventures.